Hi everybody, this is Chef Rohan from France, and today we're gonna make some Stingray on the Pit Boss Ultimate 2 gas griddle. Okay, for the Stingray, it's really easy to do, just a bit of grease. I will show you how to cook with the lid closed. I promised you to show you, so this is a great opportunity to do that. We will close the lid so the Stingray will cook on the griddle, okay, and the turning heat will act like in an oven directly with the lid closed on the plancha. For the butter, it's just brown butter with capers and parsley and a bit of lemon if you want, but that's it. We just put some salt and pepper on the fish and let's go. Really easy to do. Let's start with the butter. Up. So you can see with the heat that it's medium high because the butter is almost brown. And now I will close the lid for 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, what I will do now is to melt the butter. I have maybe 150 grams of butter here because we are 4 to eat. All right. So I just flipped the Stingray. It's just to give some color because they are already cooked, okay? The butter is almost ready. Now I will add the capers and 1 tablespoon of parsley. This is beautiful, isn't it? So I told you that the coating of the griddle is almost indestructible. I will just cut the Stingray with my knife directly over the griddle. All right, for the cleaning, voilà. I hope you appreciate this video on the Stingray cooked on the Pit Boss Ultimate 2 griddle, gas griddle. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe to my channel, and please feel free to ask if you have any questions.